Okay, so the Gilberti versus FBI case was dismissed by Tampa Judge Mary Shriver, who's the one that was on the Gilberti versus CDC case showing the mask on the 20, that Byron Donald thing. So I keep getting the same circle of judges. She dismissed this case because I did a mandamus saying the state at the clerk did a fraud transfer with Ryan Schneider and this group, 72 partners, and then Sarasota County bought the land in the fraud transfer. They switched the legal out for the bid that was 6 parcels, 2,500 acres, to Daughtry's homestead, 95 acres. Bids to $185 grand. Read the order that she did. And she says, we can't do anything in a federal court because it's all state. Call Ashley Moody. We've called Ashley Moody, complained 3 times over 4 years. So there's a mandamus at the Florida Supreme Court, case 2024-0963. But it is a federal issue, too, because they stole FEMA funds and built the R.V. Griffin Reservoir after Hurricane Charlie. Spent $500 million. Then they used Florida matching funds with Florida Forever Trust funds with federal grant money. And they built that reservoir and put all these easements and gave it to ex-commissioners like Longino, Carlton, the judge, Lisa Carlton, and Kimberly Carlton Bonner, the judges, to hide this because they all knew Buck. So they're mailing higher water bills with polluted Peace River, treated water, versus much lower water bills with spring water. So it's mail fraud and FEMA fraud. You stole all kinds of FEMA funds to hide this, acting like we got no water. Most of all, you're sending dirty, polluted, treated water with a low level of service to the tap, causing more cancer rates and virus rates. So it is federal. So now I got to appeal it, and I'm going to object to it, that you need to have the FBI verify it, because we got state and federal judges working together, and these judges are just playing jurisdiction in case law. But we can't get DeSantis or Rick Scott to come out and test it. They're both in the Navy, where the Navy created a GMO in Lake O. All that algae is a GMO from a federal grant from Dow Chemical and GE. GE's owned by 51% China, and the Army Corps put it out there for ethanol from algae. So they created a GMO, and it mutated in the air, and it's clogged all the aquifers. If it's alkaline, it can't clog them. There's another federal issue that needs to be addressed here. So they're using the state to do the fraud transfer, and they're using the feds to play stupid while they're mailing everyone higher water bills. So I need this posted. I need everybody to come out here collectively as Americans and ask both the federal government and the state government, especially at Southwest Florida Water Management and that Florida Department of Environmental Protection and the EPA, why are you hiding primary water, spring water, with no water restrictions to the taps, and building reservoirs in the swamp where you can't see drones or low-flying planes dropping something in it? Turn those things into power plants. Okay? Thanks.